Hi and welcome to EKM's Evolution Updates. I'm Mike and let's take a look at the latest integration to come to the EKM platform, Avasam. Now, what is Avasam? Well, Avasam is a UK-based multi-channel dropshipping marketplace which provides all the tools needed for online sellers to integrate their store, source products from UK-based verified suppliers and automate their order processing, payments and shipping. They connect online retailers to a network of verified UK-based suppliers who are brand owners, distributors and wholesalers. By partnering with Avasam, we are providing a truly UK-based dropshipping solution. This means that you can rest easy knowing that you may not experience difficulties such as shipping delays or the complications that may come from sourcing products further afield. Once more, if a full dropshipping operation isn't in your business plan, you can use Avasam to expand your EKM store inventory without expanding your warehouse. Whether customers visit your store for fashion items, home and gardening products, health and beauty products, or something completely different, increasing your existing inventory is really easy. So let's take a quick look at how Avasam integrates with EKM and a quick introduction to the platform. Head to the Features section in your EKM dashboard. Search for Avasam. Have a look around the Avasam site and register an account. If you need guidance on what to do next to set up your account, then click on Ollie the Octopus on the left-hand side for a step-by-step guide. Once you're all set up, then search for the product you'd like to sell. There's loads of suppliers to cater for whatever you may want to sell. Let's have a look for a product to supplement a hardware store. Once you've found a product, click Source Product, check the T's and C's, and head to your Listings Manager. Now find the product you've just sourced, click and update so it shows in your EKM shop. You can edit the product in your EKM shop in the same way you would one of your own products that you list. Check the description and shipping details that may differ from usual to match whatever the dropshipping supplier specifies. It's that easy to get more products into your EKM shop. We're really excited about this partnership, which provides so many avenues to increase revenue for your business. If you're still a little uncertain of what dropshipping is and how it works, then check out our dedicated video. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter for all the latest tips, stories and feature updates from EKM, and check out our blog for more information about starting your dropshipping journey with EKM.